So let's look at the structure of BTC USDD, and the structure has given us a symmetrical expanding triangle with a very high probability for breakout either from the roof or from the floor. And to put it into context, we do like to find out where is the roof and where is the floor of this very chart pattern. And this is the floor acting as dynamic support. Every time price returns to this floor, it's a potential buy. But we have seen an immediate reversal, and one thing worthy of note is that the market is playing within the middle. And as long as price is playing within the middle, the project is not yet complete. To put into context, because we are playing with daily time frame, ROS resistance becomes support on breakout structure 1, resistance becomes support on breakout structure 2, making here a technical sell zone in the future. And to put the bottom into context, we have here as a RS SR1, support become resistance and breakout structure, support become resistance and breakout structure, support become resistance and breakout structure, making here a technical demand floor in the future. So whichever one that comes first will call and constitute a buy trigger. So if we come to the floor, it's a buy. If we get to the roof, it's a sell. Yes, this is just what the strategy is all about. And when I called on Sunday that the market was giving a buy vibe, that impetus was as a result of this price action, which I called out. The price action was very clear, and shortly after that, the market did exactly what I expected it to do. And everything the market has done, I want to put into context. There is a breakout structure and an anticipated retest. So that impetus came from here. When I called on Sunday, make reference to my past chart to better understand it. We have here as RS1, resistance becomes support on breakout structure, and a series of SR level and also retest candle to a broken structure. Market tested 3 times and came back, broke and retest the structure. And let's try and keep a clean chart. And price came again and tested. So this is my final impetus. So this trend line have 2 key impetus, and if you look critically on daily time frame, that impetus has been broken. So this was the key, 2 key structures, 2 key points that gave birth to that trend line. In fact, after the breakup structure followed by 3 successful retest, and you have seen that at the moment BTC has turned bullish. So one more pushback into the structure is a potential swing. And to be honest with you, there are key things. Here is a key critical area to watch for a buy. 106. At 106, I expect a trigger at 106. So you're going to watch 106. In my last post, I detailed it, watch 106. And one more thing again to watch is another reaction at this level, which also guide you properly into what the market is about to do next. So the market technically put itself into a buying phase, and of course it has to be just be that way. So technically a pullback into 92, 93 it's a buy. So you're going to watch it. That's your buy floor. That's your buy floor. So the market is about to open a new wave of buy, and I wish you good luck. So as the market comes there into 92, 93, 94, you take position and go long again. And this time your target is going to be 106. 106 is going to be your target. So I'm going to call it target 1. That will be your first target. And we are going to watch it because why I say you're going to watch it is that we have a potential swing down at we're expecting in the future. Price comes down, make a double structure, go up. That is case 1 in a worst case scenario sell off, and in a worst case scenario buyback. So this is the expanding triangle, and it's a symmetrical triangle, and a very strong price action. You can see what price is doing there. So Shavyfxhub will never call you or text you account management or soliciting of capital. All our trades are free for educational purpose, and we continue to echo trading as education rather than being stuck on how much money and trading capital you have. So it's all about your knowledge in the market and not about how much money you have. Yeah, so if you see it from that perspective, it's going to change your life. See trading from the perspective of knowledge and not a perspective of capital. This is another structure to watch, and it would most definitely play out. It's a breakout followed by a retest. Very clean structure. So if price doesn't get to 96, but it will most likely want to stop here, and where um, of course buyers will be challenged at this level. They will be challenged. So they will be challenged at this level, and if they fail, it could become a critical sell. Yes, at this level they are going to be challenged. So I do hope that they understand what it means to break a structure and retest it. So if they come here, most likely they will they will be confronted. So at this level, it's going to be a make or break. If they break it, fine, they get to 106. So they'll have to prove that they can break the structure. But if they will react here, then go back, then maybe this is what I see. Technically, this is what I see using my line chart on daily time frame. And a breakaway from 106 is a clear buy confirmation. Yes. So we're also going to watch here is a very strong price action at this level. Like I told you before, a very strong price action at this level will be watched, which is a 101, 100 level. Is going to be watched, and we want to see what buyers will do at that level if they can break that level. If they can break that level, then they are ready for the upswing. Yeah, I want to see them break away from here. A break away from 100 will definitely get into 106. So it's layer by layer, and we do wish that buyers will prove that BTC is still number one digital asset. I wish you good luck. Bye bye for now.